Yes. So yesterday we were doing with the worksheet 8 of adjectives. Now the 10th one I asked you to solve if you can. So what is the 10th one saying? The following passage has not been edited. There is an error in each line. Write the incorrect word and the correction in your answer sheet. The first sentence. This lace existence is really fine. And these. Who has done this? I think and the. Yes, the lace existence is really fine. Just give me a second. Just give me a minute. Yes. Now see the first one. This lace, sorry, it's not. This existence is really fine. Now the word Laze. How do you pronounce this word? It's lazy. It's lazy. See here. This. It's not lazy, children. It's lazy. Okay. It was mispronounced. Existence. Now, what is an error here? This lazy existence is really fine. Can you see? What is the error there? The error is with the word with the spelling lazy. Lazzy. This, Prashant, yes, ma'am. Came back in the meeting because I'm asking you. Yes, ma'am. You can leave, Prashant. Don't attend the class. The moment I ask you a question, you'll want to leave the meeting. After it is done, you'll want to join back. Now, what is the error here? The error is lazy. L-A, there was an error in the spelling. This lazy existence is really fine. L-A-Z-E. Correct form, we write it as L-A-Z-Y. Siddhi does not have to do few work. Siddhi. Wait. Siddhi does not have to do few work. Now what is incorrect here? What is wrong? Yes, the word few. Just strike out this word few and write any. Siddhi does not want to do any work at all. So I am going up to be. The third sentence. So I am going up to be. Which word is incorrect? Going up to be. Which word is incorrect? Nothing is correct. That means everything is wrong. B. I'm talking about the third sentence. See here, this lazy, listen children, this lazy existence is really fine. Siddhi does not want to do any work at all. So I am going up to be. Which is the error word there in the third sentence? Huh? One of you speak. One of you speak. Children, I'm talking about the third sentence, not the second one. B. Okay, B is incorrect. Yes, Parisoni, what should I write in place of B? Yes, what should I write in place of B? B is wrong. So what is the correct word? Yes, Atukshaj?
Up is the wrong.
Up is wrong. Then what should I write there? Something is wrong. I need to make it correct. Huh?
Ma'am, there is no error.
Adarsh, there is no error?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no error. Anybody else?
Ma'am, because you are not supposed to write the answer. And no error.
See here, they should not give space. Space is already provided. See, can't you see lines in your book?
Yes, sir. I
See, so I am going up to be a professional. Idler likes the each sentence has an error. The C sentence line is there down. So I am going up to be, listen here. So I am going up to be a profession idler like Siddhi Lakdar. There is some,
Yes, ma'am. Profession.
okay, what is the correct one then?
Professional. NAL.
Okay, professional. Then anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Professional.
Okay, professional. Okay, anyone else?
Ma'am, professional.
Professional. Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer? No answer? Okay. So professional. Profession becomes what?
Professional.
Professional. Yes. Professional becomes professional idler. Next. He immediate announced his intention. Yes, immediate is incorrect. So what will be the correct word? Immediately. Yes, very good. Yes, immediate becomes immediately. Immediate becomes immediately. He immediately announced his intention to his father. I want to be a professional. Again, you need to repeat the same word. Yes. Yes, the same word, profession is there. In the correct one, you need to write professional. I want to be a professional idler. Naturally, his annoyance father. His annoyance father. Okay, what is correct? Bihan, annoyance is wrong. What is the right one? Annoyance is wrong. What is the right one? What should I replace it with? His annoyance. Naturally his annoyance father. Annoyance is wrong. So what should I write here? Yes, annoyed. Annoyed. His father got annoyed. What is annoyed, children? Annoyed is what? Angry. Annoyed is to get angry. His father got angry when he said he'll be a professional idler. What is professional idler? What is professional idler? He wants to become a professional idler. Is it a new profession? Is it a new occupation? Or is it a new job? Have you heard of this job? You have heard about becoming a doctor, a profession in a doctor, a profession in a nurse, or a teacher, or an engineer, or a scientist. Professional idler. This is a new profession. Huh? Yes, professional idler means not doing anything, to sit idle without any work. So his father got angry when he said that he is going to sit without doing any work, that is professional idler. So annoyance turns to annoyed. Next, his annoyed father punished him with all stick available. All is incorrect. So what will be the right one? All is incorrect. So all becomes, his father punished him with the stick available. The Naturally, his annoyed father punished him with the stick available to him at that moment. But the stubbornly is wrong. If stubbornly is wrong, what is the correct one? Yes, stubborn becomes stubborn. Stubbornly becomes stubborn. It is not stubborn. It's stubborn. Stubborn. The stubborn boy was undeterred. Okay? Completed? 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 Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in this topic?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next topic?
Words. Ma'am, words.
Verbs.
And verbs.
Is it verbs? We are not going to do verbs. We will not do verbs. We will go to the diary entry. We are not doing verbs. We will go on to the next topic. Verbs we will do it later. We'll start with the diary entry. Open to page number 58. 58. We'll not do the verbs now. We will do it later. Once we complete diary entry, we'll go to verbs. So we'll start with a new topic. Diary entry. Page 58. Page number 58. Not enter. Entry. Page 58. Have you opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Before diary entry, what did we do?
Notice writing.
Notice writing. What did we do in notice writing? What did we learn in notice writing? What are the characteristics or what are the features? Listen. What are the characteristics or what are the features of a notice writing? How should a notice be written? What are the features? I am not asking you the format. Adarsh, I am not asking you the format. What are the features of a notice writing?
It has to be short.
Yes, it has to be short. The information or the notice that contains has to be given in a full information. A full information though. Yes, Adakshaj? Yes, the important point should be mentioned. Though the notice has to be in short, but it should cover the entire information. No half information should be given to the receiver. Yes? Yes, it should not be in a friendly manner. It should be short, and whoever is the receiver, whoever reads the message should understand what your notice is about. So today we will begin with a new topic, that is diary entry. Has anyone heard of diary entry? In your last class, previous class, when you were 6th standard, have you learnt about it? Huh? What no ma'am? 6th standard has diary entry. Who said no ma'am? What did you learn? What did you learn in your previous class in diary entry? Don't tell me it is not there. Don't tell me it was not there for 6th standard. I am teaching 6th standard also. I have also started diary entry there. So that means you have learned. What is a diary entry? What does it mean? Or what you understand by diary entry? You tell me what you understand. Don't go according to the book. What you understand by diary entry? Hmm? Yes, Rohan. Good. Very good. Then, yes, repeat once again. So, Parisoni, name the diary. I didn't get you. Yes, what do you understand by a diary entry? What happens in a diary? You have your school diary. Okay, whatever you have done in a day. Okay. Yes, Tanishka? Yes, Tanishka? Huh? Yes, a personal diary. Okay, good. Pratik Gaude? Yes, you write your thoughts. Pratik? 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 What is a diary entry? What is a diary entry? What do you understand by diary entry? Okay. Now see here on page number 58. Now what happens to a diary? I think most of you may not be maintaining a diary entry. What happens usually in a diary entry? In a diary entry, you can express your thoughts, your thinking. Thoughts is nothing but your thoughts. That's your thinking. What you think, what are your feelings, what are you going through, whether it is happiness or sadness. And what happens in a diary? You put in all your thoughts, wherein if you are not able to share, okay, the thoughts, the feelings, or the emotions that you are going through, if you are not able to share it with your friends, with your parents, with your cousins, with your brothers or sisters, okay, now you are still small, but once you grow up, what happens? You come across a lot of problems. Okay, as you are now, you have been taken care of your parents, so you don't have so much of problems because you don't understand that much. But as and when how you grow, you start understanding what are the problems around you, what are the problems you face, what are your family problems, what are the problems that are coming in your family, because that time you get a little more matured, you start understanding, you start analyzing things, what are exactly problems, because now your parents are there to handle the situation, to handle those circumstances, to handle the problems. That is why they don't tell you anything, because you are still small. But what happens as you grow, when you see the surroundings, When you see what exactly the problem is, you understand. But what happens exactly? What happens to a diary entry? If I am a person, if me a person, I understand what my problem. If, for example, if I have a problem with my friend, if I have a problem with my colleagues, who are colleagues? Yes, the people working with us. That means I am working in a school. So the teachers that are working with me, the other teachers who are there in the school, they are my colleagues. They are called as colleagues. People who work in the same institution with each other are called as colleagues. So the other teachers are my colleagues. If I have a problem with my colleagues, if I have a problem with my friends, if I have problem in the family, okay, what is happening? I am so afraid, or I'm so shy that I cannot open and speak out with everyone. I cannot share my problems. There are sometimes the problems that I cannot share with my family, you cannot share with your friends, you cannot share with your feelings. So what will I do? Instead of sharing, or instead of me thinking over it again, what will I do? I will maintain a diary. Turn off your mics. Shivraj, Shivraj. Okay, so what is happening here? When I'm not able to express what I'm feeling, when I'm not able to express what is in my mind, what are the thoughts that are disturbing me? So what do? I have a diary entry. I enter in the diary whatever I'm feeling, whatever I'm going through, when I'm not able to share it, when I'm not able to share my feelings, my emotions, my thoughts, whatever, if I'm suffering or if I'm in pain, what do? I maintain a diary, and that is called as diary entry. What happens to the diary? The diary entry, whatever is there, it is very personal. Personal means it is only mine. Nobody can read it or nobody can touch my diary. Okay, why? Because I am sharing, because I cannot share it with the other people, I am sharing it with myself in the form of diary entry. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So what is happening? Even if sometimes you must be disturbed, your concentration is not there in the class, or you're not able to concentrate in your studies, there is some problem at home, maybe somebody is expired or somebody is not well, maybe you are disturbed. Huh? Whenever you are some problem, or you are not able to share it with somebody, what you can do? You can just take a book, just take a diary, whatever you are feeling in your mind, whatever thoughts are going on in your mind, you can just put it out in the diary. So that is called as diary entry. Now see here, the same thing what I have explained is there in your book. See to page 58. At times, a person is not able to express his feelings or reactions to some situations out of his shyness or his etiquettes. It is then that he goes to his personal diary to record his impression of the situation without any hesitation. Means what? If he is hesitant, if he is feeling very shy, he may think what people may think if I share my thoughts. So what will he do? He starts writing into a diary. Whatever thoughts he has into his mind, he starts putting into a diary. It is because he knows that no one is going to read. Okay, because I told you the diary is so personal to you. It is your personal diary. No one should touch it. No one can read it. Although diary has lost its importance due to hectic and busy life, yet there is no dearth of people who are fond of diary writing. Nowadays, people don't maintain diaries because they have no time, okay, or maybe it is lost because people are so much into technology that they don't have time to sit and write. Okay, so it has lost its meaning, but there are some people who still follow this diary entry. Since it is a personal form of writing, there are no hard and fast rules for diary writing. Because it is personal, there is no hard and fast rule. What is no hard and fast rule? It means there are no rules or there is no format. Like in notice writing, you had a certain format to follow. Yes, this is important. This has to be in the left hand side. This has to be in the right hand side. In notice writing, it was compulsory to follow the format. But in diary writing, there is a certain format also to be followed, but it is not compulsory. In notice, you had to draw a box, you had to give in all the information with the date, time, day, everything. You had it in notice. But in a diary, there is no hard and fast rule. That is, there is no compulsion that you have to follow a certain pattern to write a diary entry. It is purely personal and secret way of expressing one's feeling regarding a place, an incident, a person, or a crucial moments in one life. Yes, Adukshaj?
Ma'am, why do you say diary entry? Ma'am, why did you not write diary
Diary writing. Entry again, what is why do you mention it as entry? Because once you cannot share your feelings with somebody, you are entering those same feelings into the diary. You are entering. So the word enter itself means entry. Diary entry. You are entering that. Because you cannot share it with somebody, you are entering those same thoughts, those same feelings into a diary. Diary writing is what you can simply, what happens in diary writing? You are not expressing your thoughts. You can just write it. Diary writing can be written by with anyone. But diary entry is something that is personal, something that you enter your situation, any situation you come across or any incident that has happened in your life. Okay, so what now for example I can give you, if I have lost, if my grandmother is expired or if my uncle is expired, I'm very sad. That is what, if my grandmother was very close to me, I miss her very badly. Okay, if for example even you must have lost your grandparents are not there, or some of you have lost some family member and you feel very sad about it. So what you can do, because you cannot express your sadness, because you cannot express how much sorrow you are in or how much bad you feel about it, that you cannot share it. The more you can share it with others, the more you write it in the diary, you cannot share it with others. So what you are feeling about, you are missing your grandmother, okay, because you don't see her anymore, she cannot come back, or you remember all the times that you have spent with her, you have met her, you have done so many things with her. What are you doing? Because you cannot share that incident, the incident that has happened in your life, you put it in the diary. Clear, Dakshant? That is why it is called as diary entry. You enter those thoughts into the diary. Next, diary writing is introduced in the syllabus to test one's students' creativity or flight of imagination. Now, what are the steps you need to follow? The first thing, when you write, when you introduce a diary, when you start writing a diary, you need to write what are you need to introduce yourself. Okay, this is, if you can start writing a diary. Okay, it is not necessary only until if you are sad or if you have something, some problems going on, that is the time you have to write a diary entry. No, even if you are very happy, even if you want to share something, your happiness with somebody, or even if you have gone for a picnic trip, you want to share it, you can put it into a diary. So first page, what you can do is, you can give an introduction about yourself. Then the next page you can write what are the things that interest you, what are you interested in. Then you can write what is the important thing or important thing you can, what should be, what you think is important. So all these while you can start entering the diary, in the diary. Next, what are the guidelines? I told there is no hard and fast rule. It is not a compulsion, but still you need to follow certain things. So what are the guidelines? How a diary should be written? Date and day must be mentioned. It is very important, not only when you write a notice, not only when you write a diary. For example, now, whenever you have a class, you start entering the date. If you're writing any letter, if you're writing any notes, you're writing anything that you're writing, you always start with the date. So the date and the day is a must. It is compulsory the day you are writing the diary. Contents in the diary should be brief without ambiguity. Should be brief. Now, diary entry does not mean, yes, you can write in 1 or 2 pages, but it should be in brief and not in ambiguity. What is ambiguity? It is the word or expressions that can be, what is ambiguity?
Yes, ma'am.
Words or expressions that can be understood. That means whatever you are trying to say, it has to be understood. Though you are writing the diary, though nobody else may read it, whatever you are writing, it should be understood. A salutation, dear diary, must be used. What is salutation? What is a salutation?
Ma'am, like dear.
Yes. Yes, you use the word dear, dear sir, dear madam. This you use it when you are writing the letter. You address it to somebody. But in a diary, you just need to write dear diary. Why do you write dear diary? Because this,
Because we are telling.
yes, you are telling it to yourself. Okay, you are not addressing this diary entry to somebody else. This is for yourself. So you are writing it to the diary. You are telling the diary because you cannot share it with somebody. You are sharing it in your diary. So this may be used. Next, entries should sound real and natural. Whatever incidents that you write, whatever entry that you make in the diary, it should be real. Okay, because the moment you start reading what you have written, you must feel, yes, this is what has happened to me, these are the incidents or these are the problems that have taken place in my life, so this is what I have to write. So it should feel real. I will say, I was very sad today because I didn't do my homework, my teacher scolded me because I did not do my homework. But why did I do my homework? I did not do my homework because I can say my grandmother was admitted to the hospital and I had to go to the hospital. But I did not get time. I had to spend time with my grandmother, and so I did not sleep that night. And but yet I did not get time because I had to attend to my grandmother because she was unwell, and still the next day I had to attend the school, so the teacher scolded me for not doing my homework. Now, what is this? This is my situation. What is my situation? That my grandmother was not well. I had to be with her in the hospital and I did not get time to do my homework. So, this same situation, whatever you felt that time should be real. The moment you read it, you should feel, yes, I had this problem. This is the problem because of which I know, because I had to be in the hospital with my grandmother, so I did not get time to do my homework. And because I did not get time, my teacher scolded me. And what happens? That time you feel bad, you get, sometimes you even get angry, sometimes you even feel very sad, you feel low. Because you cannot share the situation with your teacher. Can you tell ma'am? Maybe you can tell, you can share it with ma'am. But there are some of you, when the teacher scolds you, you know the reason why you have not done it. So, because you cannot share it, you put it in the form of diary. You enter it in the diary, and that what you enter, it should be real. It should be genuine. What you write, you should feel, yes, this was the situation I was in, and that is why I did not do my homework. This is a sad situation or incident, what I said. Again, you can give, I had been for a wedding and I did not get time there to do my homework. So we enjoyed a lot. and it was my sister's wedding or my brother's wedding. So I did not get time. We had a lot of fun, and that is why you can explain whatever the incident is. So it should sound real. A diary entry should be about some significant turns of life. How do you write a diary? Why should you write a diary? That's what at the beginning I told you, whatever important events happen in your life. Some, you can say, you can go for a picnic. That is an important event of the year or whatever, or this is the last day of your school. So how was your day? How did you spend? That is an important event in your life. You can write once in a year, you have your annual day. You can do that entry. You should not write, I went to the market, whatever you do in a day. I went to the market, I met my friend, then we went to a hotel, then we had food, then we went to a garden, we clicked photos. What happens? That is not an event. What happens? That is every day's life. Whatever your schedule is, you go on every day. But that shouldn't be. Diary entry should be whatever event is taking place in your life, that event should be entered into a diary. For example, you're standing first rank in the school. So that is an important event, an important incident in your life. How did you score well? What are the problems you faced? What did you do to come out of these problems? How did you study? Who helped you in your studies? That you can enter into your diary. Why? Because that is an important event. Simply you go to your friend's house. Can you put it in a diary entry? What did you do? Where did you go with your friend?
No, ma'am.
You visit your friend's house, you visit your auntie's house, you go out of station. Can you put it in your diary? You cannot. Why? Because this is done by everyone. Everyone goes to their friend's house. Everyone enjoys. But what happens? There are some events, there are some incidents, or there are some programs in your life which is very important. That importance should be given into the diary. Writing about one's own illness, weather, medicines, or other boring material should be avoided. When you're writing your diary, you need to avoid about any sick things happening. If you are unwell, please don't put it in a diary. Okay? If you're taking a medicines, can I take? I'm taking medicines for cough and cold because I have a stomach pain. I'm taking this tablet. No, it sounds foolish. It does not sound good. Okay, this should be to your personal wherein you cannot write. You know that you are taking tablets, but don't put it in your diary. Entry should be lively and not monotonous. Entry should be lively means what? Whatever you write should be very interesting. Not monotonous means what? It should not disinterest. It should not be very dull. Yes, Amol?
Right?
Huh?
About only sadness.
Wait, Amol, wait. Yes, Adakshaj?
No, we have to write about only sadness or
Not only sadness. I told you, no, I gave you an example of a wedding. Any happy moments that are happening in your life. I gave you an example of a wedding. I gave you an example if you stand a first rank in the class. I gave you an example of a trip to the picnic. So these are all the happy moments, not only sad. I even gave you examples of happy moments. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, so it is not sadness. If you're going for a picnic, if you're a rank holder, you stood first in the class, is it a moment of sadness? No, it is not. So you can also put your moments of happiness. I'm not only stressing on sadness. I also gave you examples of happiness. I gave you example of a wedding, a marriage at your house. I gave you an example of you standing first in the class. How did you stand first? You are so happy. You want everyone to know. You can even share that happiness. I gave you an example of a picnic. You're going out on a trip. How did you spend your time there? You can write that also. It is not only restricted to the happiness that you are going through, not only the sadness, but also the happiness that you are going through.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Now, this is the introduction of diary entry. When we have the next class, we will see how it has to be written. Before that, just tell me any doubts you have in this.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
we will see the samples and all in the next class. But before that, you have any doubts? Anything to ask? Once you start learning how to make a diary entry, you also can start writing it. You can write about the pandemic. Everyone is going through what a phase of corona. Okay, how it happened, how did the schools close, when was the last you visited the school, you can write how your life changed. Okay, what are the problems you are facing, what are the problems your family is facing. Okay, people have lost jobs, you are not able to come to school, you are not able to have any physical, what is that? No, there's no physical exercises happening, no physically, you are not trying to come to school, no physical fitness, you are not able to meet your friends, so that all you can put into this diary. You can say it happened in the year 2000, December 2019. There was a virus called corona that affected the entire universe. That means all the nations were affected. Then how, because of the spread of this virus, how were people made to sit at home? We had a complete lockdown. So whatever phase we had till date, you can put it in the form of a diary. Yes? That we will start when you're too late to do it, but now we will start. I will explain it to you once we get the next class how a diary should be written. Clear, everyone? Yes? Just go through it today. Go through the introduction of diary entry today on page 58. Then we will start with the sample diary and the diary entry in the next class.